Did you have a hot glow summer? I think I did. I was definitely hot. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Amber Wood. I'm 49 years old. I do makeup and beauty videos. I'm fun fashion, love Halloween shopping. You're the last person in the world to know about IPSY BoxyCharm. It's a subscription box of beauty products. Ooh, look at this palette. Wow. Ah! Oh no, that fell out. Oh no. Ah, I can glue it back in. It's okay. Everybody calm down. It's okay. This is the Beauty Bible. Get it? The Beauty Bible, the OG palette. Never heard of that, but I'm in love with that pink shade right there. That is really pretty. I feel like I somehow got behind on my BoxyCharm because I got mixed up. Honestly, I sometimes still get my own that I know that I buy. And they also, I don't know if you know this, and a lot of people probably don't, and I don't want to gatekeep, but I also don't want to just like tell everybody because then it might not be as good. But IPSY has a lot of great sales on like great brands that you use all the time. So if you're not checking out the IPSY sales, I have another box sitting right next to me of some sale items that I bought that I can do another video of. But I'm just saying, like, if you're not checking out these sales, you're really missing out because there's usually some good stuff. But anyway, I was about to film this and I thought this was the August box, but it's not. So I think I got behind. I apologize. I think this is the July box. Sorry, IPSY. You get 5 items with your monthly subscription, full-sized products. Look at it. Innisfree. This is the green tea seed hyaluronic serum. Love hyaluronic. Helps with the hydration. I definitely need that. Ooh, nice big bottle. This is the Rem Beauty. Oh, is this the liquid eyeshadow? Ooh, yeah. Like, I just want to put that on my lips, too. Do they make a lipstick like that? Or is that just me? Am I imagining that? Or am I thinking of somebody else? Anyway, this is the Rem Beauty Midnight Shadows. Fembot. I love that color. Okay, Drunk Elephant. Look at all these brands. Drunk Elephant, Be Goldie Bright Drops. So is this like a, you know what I mean? Like a, is it a highlighter? Ooh, look at that. I don't know what this is, but it's got niacinamide in it, and I can't read it. Diglucosyl gallic acid. Not sure what that is. But let's take a little gander. Okay. It's like a kind of shiny lotion. That's really nice. Illuminating barrier strengthening serum that adds sophisticated golden glow to all skin. Okay. Well, that sounds lovely. I'll use that. What is this? Is this a powder or something? This is Toy Factory Nia Pout. Oh, I'm feeling a lip. Serum Lip Mask. I'm going to have to see if I can get that out because it's all cellophaned in there. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, I think I've used this before. It's really good. See, I just get like a little bit on my fingernail and then just and then keep it moving. So this is really nice. I've used that before. Watermelon Whip. Let me know if you're on the BoxyCharm train. If you already get yours, what did you get in your box? And if you wanted to get in with the IPSY BoxyCharm, I have a link in my link tree. But hey, thanks for watching and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.